How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny forearms step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. First exercise is going to be twists like this. $50, keep going. $100 reps, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do forearm curls like this. This is great for the forearms. Perfect, quick little break. And then we're gonna do squeezes. Get your hands squeezed really, really hard and hold. Keep going, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 10 more seconds, squeeze as hard as you can. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.